Hello my peoples, Superman Review here, but you already know that because you've been through what, 4 or 5 videos? Anyways, let's keep going. Today we're not going to review a product, because you know, we've been reviewing for a while. So today we're just going to go back a moment and review things that we've already reviewed. Call it a update review or review update, I don't know. But why are we doing this? That's because I want to let you know if I still think the same about the product or you know, I just don't use it anymore, you know? Because people just give one review and that's it, and they sell you on it. I actually want to be honest and, you know, tell you what I actually think about the product and if I'm still using it on the day-to-day life. So, roll the intro! I love saying that. Alright, throw me a product. Wait, before he does that, make sure you click that like, that subscribe, and also when you subscribe, make sure you hit that little bell icon. That way, you know, you can be updated when every time I upload a video, you can see, you know, some little... Oh my God! Oh! Sorry about that. We're not gonna be throwing things at Superman no more. This is Larry, you know, he's been mad ever since, like, the incident. All right, Larry, you can bring them in. Don't you dare throw those. That's what I thought. Hey! Brujeria, bro, brujeria. Larry, man, Larry. Larry, are you here with us? Something happened in the studio. Something fell in the background. Alright, well you already seen the holy snap, that was not me. Larry. Larry again, man. Larry to that! Okay. You already seen the unboxing, you know, the beauty of it, you know, I already ripped it. Anyways, why are we doing this video? Because you already know, man. Because we base. Nah, it's because basically how I said in the beginning of the video, see if we're still using it. The thing I want to say, I don't think the videos that we did it justice. Honestly, I take this thing everywhere. I even take it in the bathroom. We're doing a scene about that. Nah, but for reals, I take this thing literally every get together I go with my friends, whether it's my family, whether it's my girlfriend's house. I take this on the go all the time. It looks amazing. Like the quality looks, I'm like blown away by the quality that this thing has for like $78. I think this is, well actually it went up. It was $78 when I bought it. Now it's like $128. I was like, man, Superman brought quality. You know, anyways. But I think it's really good. Like the quality is really good. And the video, man, is just really awesome. So I think this is still worth the buy. And I would still recommend it up to date. And that's it on that. So that actually had stuff. I don't know why I did that. Superman out for this little one, but we're gonna do another one too, so stick around. All right, now we're gonna do a quick review on the no-tip cup. I was never good at sports. It's horrible. Let me get that. Because I didn't have my glasses on. Superman's blind. I'm really not that blind, but you know, it's a good excuse. Anyways, the review. I really haven't used this cup a lot like I thought I would. Well, then again, I'm not really much of a drinker on the go, so, but if you are a drinker of coffee all the time, siempre andas tomando, you know, la vida, you should get one of these. I mean, it's $15. I think it's worth it. That's pretty much it I can say on the cup. Oh, but it still amazes me. Look at that. Whole table flips. Still amazes me today. I have to do that because it doesn't. Now let's mess around with it. All right, we're gonna throw this cup around a little bit, you know, see if it lands. Ooh. You recording, David? Yeah. Ooh, Tony Romo. Brujeria. No tip cup. You gotta find Yeah, we do. Man, did I really throw that far?
Sippy cup.
Sippy cup.
Oh, snap!
Brujeria.
Take this cup out of here. Keep it quiet. And also, we're gonna do a quick review on the noise canceling headphones. Moment of silence. Those headphones were not really mine. They were borrowed, you know. But Suman liked them while they lasted, you know, for that one day. $300? Nah. All right. Close it, yeah. That's it. Okay. Suman, yeah. The quality look, man. Stop distracting me, Vato! Over here, like laughing, he throw, man. It's hard to keep my cool. Oh, the wheels fire. Keep going. Larry, get out the shot, man! Those headphones were not really mine. They were bought. Catch it, bro. Man, catch it. Okay. Threw it too high. It was silly, bro. Stare at it, bro. You just stare at it like you guys told me. He's like,
I was too far, bro.
hey, did I laugh though we did? Like, I would have should have been like, I should have been like, let me see it. Oh my goodness. What's a football player?
Football?
Yeah. No tip cup. Oh snap! Almost lost control. I didn't even see where we threw it, bro. Well, I mean, never mind. Let's not practice. That way it's more organic. All right. Make sure you throw it right. Okay, you record? Okay. Throw me a product. Oh, wait. What te dije que no todavía no, que I was gonna be like, oh, the bell and this and that. But that was a horrible throw though, bro. Okay, still recording. Throw me the box. Oh wait, before he does that, make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit that little bell that's beside the subscribe button so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Cause I'm, you want to see this. That was your cue, bro. Like I was stalling, bro. Yeah, as soon as I finished that, like you're supposed to throw it.
Oh.
Yeah, that was your cue, bro. No, hombre.
Alright, restart.
Otra vez. Okay. Yeah.